man. Good morning. Not exactly what I had planned for the day, but feeling a little under the weather, so we decided we're not going to go camping because I don't want to bring my sweet wife in here and contaminate her. So I'm actually taking it to the other level, and I'm just staying out here for the night. Actually, it's now morning, but so she can stay in the house germ-free. But we're gonna make the most of this because, of course, we're gonna have a fire. We're gonna do some regular maintenance. We're gonna take advantage of the time that we have. First thing I want to do is jack it up off the ground. We want to shake the wheel in all different directions. We're checking to see if it's got any excess play, because if it does, it means your wheel bearings are already shot. I also want to spin around and listen, just to see if there's any excess noise. This sounds pretty normal. The movement's nominal, I would say, so I don't think we have a problem. So I think we're good to go ahead and get some grease running through it. I don't think so. And none of that happened. The fire was obviously recorded earlier. This rainy weather really fits with how I feel. Hey, can I come in and get something to eat?
No!
Hey, I really gotta use the bathroom. Can I come in?
No!
Well, she still loves me. At least I got something to eat and do half of my business. Well, after 4 days, I'm feeling pretty miserable. Starting to come around. Got a little bit still in the throat, but one thing I can tell you is that 14,500 BTU furnace that we got in this bushwhacker, oh man, that's a game changer. It's been getting down to low 30s at night, and that keeps me quite warm. Probably warmer than Miss Dee Dee's been in the house. Speaking of Miss Dee Dee, I successfully transferred the virus from myself to her, and I think that's why I'm getting better. So she's miserable now, and I'm still in the bushwhacker because I'm probably in the doghouse. But I also got a TV in here, and we got internet service that reaches out here, so it's not all bad. Pretty good little mattress. But also, you know, having an RV around is really great for times like this. If you need to bug out for illness, or, I mean, I think the forecast this weekend's showing like 9 degrees at night. And crazy stuff happens in Texas when it gets cold. We don't know how to make power. So I can come out here and I'm battery operated. I've got propane. I'm not going to freeze. I got all that nice soup Miss Dee Dee threw at me. I'm not going to starve, and I got plenty of water. So, pretty good deal. And I'll show you a couple things over in Thelma that we've done. So we added the new lighting up top, because the ones that came with it didn't work. So you got your DC lights, so I can run it off the battery. That way, if I have no shore power, I still have lights in the trailer without having to, you know, rely on like a battery operated lamp or something like that, or flashlights. So that's a great addition. Also, you know, the only thing that was really lacking this from a 4-season trailer was heat. So our option, we're going to just use a buddy heater. If we don't have power and can't use an electric heater, we're going to use this buddy heater. I've got a pigtail in here with the proper filter on it, because you don't want to run a direct line of this thing without a filter. It's gonna destroy the heater. So I've got the filter, got the buddy heater, tested it out, works like a charm. So all that is good. And you know, summertime, we've already got the AC in it, and you know, it works great. We've used it in the heat of summer in Texas. It's awesome. If you want to see how we installed that, look in the description. I'll put a link there. But that really solidifies this is a 4-season trailer now. So sorry, still some fog in the brain, but This has been a great camper. We've used it several times, especially with the little kids, and look forward to many more. Well, not the typical video that you see, not the one I really wanted to make, but sometimes we get sick. And when you get recovered from being sick, there's nothing better than being outside and getting back in nature, though. I'm real fortunate. I got a lot of land out here to play around with. While the wife's inside recovering, I'm gonna still probably be out in the trailer for a few more nights just to give her space and be my space, and everybody will be happy. By the weekend, I think we're all gonna be well. Man, that's some wind. Probably right underneath a Widowmaker. Wouldn't that be great? But hey, it's gonna change up some plans. So obviously last weekend we did not go camping as planned. I had to change reservations. And since Dee Dee's sick this weekend, we're not gonna go camping this weekend. I had a big event planned. I was gonna do a full two-nighter, take some time off of work, have some fun, but now I'll be at work since I'm feeling better. And you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. Having fun like this, you gotta have money to do it, and I don't know how to make money without having a job. So and I like my job, so it's all right. We're weekend warriors, we love it, but after that we're gonna be right back on the road making things happen. We got a storm event coming up this weekend, so that ought to be interesting. Get prepared out there, make sure your water, your food, everything's ready. Don't be that one that's stuck there saying, I can't get to the store and I have no food. Don't be that person. But hey, thanks for coming along. Give us a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, and we will see you down the road.